When I wrote the Declaration of Independence, I included the words, "All men are created equal," as you know. We voted on those words on the 4th of July, 1776 as the reason for our revolution and the basis for what it means to be American. When I wrote all men, I meant all of mankind, all human beings, not just males like me or who look like me. But I knew that we hadn't yet gotten to the point at which we treated everybody equally. I knew it was going to take a long time for America to get there. I believe the earth belongs to the living. So when I wrote all men are created equal, I didn't just mean the people who lived at the same time that I lived. I meant everybody. I meant you. So when you think of those words, all men are created equal, remember, that means that you are equal to any of the people who founded the United States of America. And that means that you have the ability and the responsibility to act like you are founders of the United States. Do what we did. Change those things that you think need to be changed. Don't let anybody tell you that you are not patriotic because you want to change the country that you love. You tell them that you are a founder as well, just like Thomas Jefferson. And that means that you don't have to live in Thomas Jefferson's America. This is your country. You belong here. Act like it. Make it your own. Maybe you won't change everything that you want to change right now, right away, but you'll be able to begin working on changing some things for the better right now. And if you keep trying, eventually you might change the whole country. I know you can do this because I did it, and you are my equals.